how to transfer YouTube channel to another account. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how you can transfer your YouTube channel to another account. So it's very easy. Once you guys are on YouTube, make sure that you guys are logged in with the account that you guys want to transfer. Then click on the left side, scroll down, and then after that simply click on settings. And then from over here, just simply click on the left side on advanced settings. And now you guys can just simply click on move channel to a brand account. And then after that, you guys can just simply put in the name or the links over here. And then from over here, you guys can simply choose the account that you guys want to basically move your current channel to. So right now, no other accounts are available. You guys are going to have to create a new account that are going to be brand accounts. You guys can watch other videos on YouTube for that. But once you guys have a brand account, then you guys can simply move this account over to that brand account. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to move your channel to another account on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.